Welcome, Springerle bakers. Today we're going to take a look at the Amo Te Heart. This one's great for Valentine's Day, to share some love, or any time of year. And Amo Te is the way to say I love you in Latin. Here are the pretty cookies that it makes. Very beautiful. They're also nice painted. And when you order this heart from ilovespringerle.com, it's also going to come with an artisan specialty made custom copper cutter to make a perfect shape. These are handmade of high quality copper and will last for a long time. I recommend that once you clean them, whoops, dropped the cookie. When you clean them, you dry them well, and that will keep from spots from happening. And when you cut the cookie, you can go from the top down halfway and the bottom up halfway to get really close to the edge to make a pretty cookie. Well, go ahead and spread some love around. Thank you so much for taking a look at this beautiful cookie mold with me. And thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.